right, here is a quick guide on how to pay for the course with transfer option. Okay, so no need putting your card. So scroll down, then click on get it now. Then fill up, enter your name, enter your email address, be correct with that, and also enter your phone number. Once you are done, I've not added phone number, so let me add a phone number. Okay, once you are done, hit on pay now. Allow it to load. All right, you can see the different options for payment. Pay with card, pay with transfer. Okay, that's the one I'm talking about. Then pay with bank. Then pay with USSD. Now, I'll always recommend, or I want to recommend you use the transfer option. In that case, you will not be putting your card details. So if I click on pay with transfer, you see the account number here. Okay, so I can use this account number now and make payment. Okay, so that's it. The moment you make payment, it will be notified in your email that you have paid because you have added your email. Okay, so if you don't get the notification, then reach out to me on WhatsApp immediately, then I'll take it up from there. Okay, and please note the bank name and the exact amount. Okay, now in this case the bank name is Paystack Titan, right? So be sure the bank name, then the account number, and then the amount. Also note the timing. They usually give 30 minutes. Once that 30 minutes elapses, that very account becomes invalid. Okay, so you need to regenerate another account. So ensure that you make the transfer within the time limit given, right? So if you have any other issue, let me know. Thank you.